Good morning, everybody. Jesse here with Double J Pressure Washing. We are on our way to the neighbor customer I had yesterday. I was out there washing. He came out and asked me for a quote on his driveway. So I gave him one yesterday before I left, and now we are back. And now we are headed out that way. We're going to take care of him. So stay tuned. I will be right back, and you will get to see me do that. Good morning, everybody. Oop, let me clean that. All right, we back. Good morning, everybody. We are out here in the Champions area. We've got, it's actually North Houston. In the driveway out here. We got some staining. Not really too sure what it is. They said it was old. A little bit of rust. Told them that was extra. They're not really interested in getting it removed. Just the organic growth. So. Beautiful day today. Here we go. About an hour and we good. So I will see you next week. Came out pretty good. Staying still. Other than that, we're rocking and rolling, baby.